So, is there anything else, any other nuggets you think you want to give people to talk about in terms of getting home insurance for a house or maintaining home insurance for a house?
Yeah, so one other big piece, and I know I say all the pieces are big, but I'm telling you, these are the important things because some things don't matter as much, but knowing the difference between having a replacement cost policy and an actual cash value policies. And
Oh.
a lot of agents, I'm not saying people are shady, I'm just saying I've seen some declaration pages and I'm like, nah, why did you give them this coverage? But one replacement cost policy, no matter what, unless you just absolutely cannot afford it. But replacement cost basically means that you buy that, it doesn't matter what the value changes to in 10, 15 years, you're going to get that same house, replaced for whatever the value is. So if it's 10 years from now, obviously the value would have changed, but
Mhm.
you want it to be replaced. You don't want depreciation to be considered when it comes to your home, because if you have an actual cash value policy, and even if it's just a roof, it may not even be the whole home. Anything that happens, depreciation is going to be considered if you do actual cash value. So
Oh.
take a look at the policy. Sometimes it's not always clearly on there because, as I was saying earlier, I have a lot of appointments with many different companies. So I look at the date page sometimes like, hey, like what is this? But I know what I selected in the portal, but the deck page doesn't always show it. So if you're not sure, pull it out, take a look at it. If you don't see whether it's replacement cost or actual cash value, call your agent, call your company, ask the questions, because the time to find out is not when something happens.